friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Xamarin UI Design. Today we are going to learn splash screen same as Swiggy app. So you have seen that in Swiggy app the splash screen resize the logo and come up with the new page. See, this is the splash screen. Splash screen resize the image and it will show the address. So it will show the address and location. It is nicely done in the splash screen. Same thing I have similar, not same, but I can say that I have created similar to this splash screen. I will show you. So I have created this app. This is splash screen. Okay, on this splash screen it will also do not exactly same as, but I try to do similar to this. So hope you like this splash screen. If you want to have any query, then ask me a question. And also I have one interesting question for you at the end of the video, so please watch video till end. So let's begin. It is full of animation, so please try to understand. So this is the page, and the splash screen I have created a video for the splash screen. I will share that link how to create a splash screen, so refer that video. And also I have created blog for the splash screen, so you can create splash screen from that page. The link I have provided here, so you can create splash screen from here. Then afterward we have to create the landing page. In landing page we have to create the location and the address, whatever you want to show in the landing page. Okay, so this main control is grid. In the grid I have added in the first I added image, and then label for the delivering to. Okay, and all the things are in center. And in the stack layout, because it is orientation horizontal, because I want to show side by side. This is image and this is label for other. This is image label and this is label for the address in the row 4th. Okay, this is for the grid. Means you can see this is a grid, and there is also main grid having only one row which is full height. Okay, so in first row we have to add grid. Okay, and in the same row we have to add a grid, add a image. The same image you have kept in the splash screen, and the image should be same. Okay, I don't know if GIF is working in the splash screen. If it is working, then we cannot add a dynamic address. I think they have created the splash screen, and after the splash screen they have created a page that will do animation. This is my thought. I don't know how Swiggy is working, but I created like that. Okay, now we will see the code behind, which is full of animation. Okay, first what we will do this address, this to 1 and this delivering to. Okay, means this is stack layout. That stack layout are these two, and this deliver means this label, and address means this level. What I will do, this 3 will move downside first at the beginning. Sorry, at the beginning when a page is loaded, this 3 control will go bottom. Okay, it will not show. It is not visible first. Okay, it is gone down to the it is gone bottom, which will not visible to the user, means it may be outside the mobile height. Okay, so and this is, after doing this, then we will take a scale of the location, means this location. Okay, we will take a scale, means original height. Okay, original height in the variable. Okay, then uh, then scale to 0.0, means it will very small, that it will not visible to the user. Then after that, what we will do, this is image. Image means splash screen image. Okay, uh, this splash screen is not visible because it is overlap. Okay, it is overlap, means in the behind this splash screen is there, on the splash screen this grid is there, so it is not visible, otherwise it is not visible for us. So it will be visible when it will move down, and this will be very good. So what I am doing, the image means that image is scaling to, means the image size is this size. Okay, I will show you. This size, image size is this size. Okay, so what I am doing, I am shrinking the splash screen image to the 0.5. You can assign here from 0 to 1 value. Okay, this is shrinking value. Okay, and this is the speed of means it speed of the shrinking, means it can show slowly or faster. If you want to show faster, then decrease the value, means it is 200, then it will faster. If it is 100, then it will be again faster. If it is 300, 400, 500, then it will go slowly animation. Okay, then as you see, the image translate. If you not see, then backwards video to some second, you can see that the splash screen move upward and it go downward to this location. Okay, so image translate to x will not change. Okay, the image of x will not change. We have to change the y value, means we have to move upward. To move upward, we have to give negative value. Okay, so I'm giving negative value, and this is the speed for the animation, and this is easier linear. Okay, means the method of what method of the animation. Okay, it will go up, then afterward it will go down, means it is 200, means it will go here. Okay, then I will push down to this location, so I have kept 80. Okay, you have to adjust this value by the testing. If it come the 80 here, then you have to keep 60, so it will come here. Okay, so just run your project. If it is not coming to the position of this, then change the value and again test it. So you can adjust the value of y. Okay, give the speed of the animation and the method of the animation. Okay, this is for the splash screen animation. Okay, after that we will do animation for this. Okay, uh, for as you know, in the beginning these four will be at the bottom and this will be very small. Okay, let's see again the video what is happening. So will okay, it is coming up and it is growing. Okay, the size is growing. See, you can see here again this address is coming up and this is growing, and all the things are done at the same time. Okay, so for doing all the same, if you do this line for every control, so it will happen, it will not do animation at the same time. It will first complete one animation, then second animation, then third animation. We don't want this. We want that animation to be completed at the same time of all the controls. So what you have to do, you have to create a animation and store in the variable. So I have created new animation. Okay, this is image splash screen to scale to 0, means it will convert to very small and speed will be 400. Okay, and the image location, it will grow the image, it will convert to the original size. Okay, and deliver address and the stack layout will come to the original position, because I have given 0 means it will come to the original position, so it will come up to the original position. Okay, and then after this variable you have to add in new animation and do this in the in this way: 0 1. Okay, begin at, finish at, and the animation name. Okay, so you have to give all the animation you have created in this curly bracket. Okay, after that the variable we have created for animation dot commit this and give any animation name. Okay, that's all. So my question is that what I'm doing, all these things are going down. Okay, and this is where it to this will shrink to which 0. Okay, this image will be shrink to 0. Why I'm doing, I can also do visible false, all these things as a visible false. After the splash screen come to here, then I can show the all the control, but I am doing the animation. I'm doing non-visible with the animation. This image will be shrink to 0 and all this control will go down. Why I'm doing this? Why I'm not using visible as false? Please find this answer and give this answer in the comment section. If you don't get the answer, please let me know. I will explain this why I'm doing so. Okay, if you have any question, any doubts, then please ask me in the comment section. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.